Take me where the sun is shining, watch the mist roll down the mountain, a place where we can go. This time of year the leaves will change, holds a beauty I can't explain, a place where we can go. We can dip our toes into the stream, watch the light dance perfectly. It can feel just like a dream. You can take my hand and make it reality. The way your hair falls on your cheek, the look you give that makes me weak, a love I've never known. The glimmer in your ocean eyes, the way they catch the morning light, the love I've never known. I wish I had 100 songs to write and sing of who you are. Make it feel just like a dream. You can take my hand and make it reality. I close my eyes and I can see a life together, you and me, in love that we can know. I promise even when it's hard, I'll be right there where you are, the love that we can know, the love that we can know.
I wanna tell you how you've changed something in me. I don't have the words yet, I don't have the nerve, and honestly I never imagined I could feel safe inside my skin in my tiny apartment. Now you don't even know where I live, and you'd leave so early in the morning, like it was a dream. You were ever there. Wake up, breathe in this fragile way I'm feeling. Wide fragile way I'm feeling. Wide-eyed, reaching for you and your gentle dreaming. All I know now is this new quiet freedom. Wake up, breathing. Wake up, breathing. This fragile way I'm feeling. Wake up, breathing. Wake up, breathing.
What did you to me? I feel like I'm drowning into the sea. Oh love, would you come back? Please, I'll forget about it. So hard to let it go. Take me back to when we started. All the places where we traveled, to all the little things we never tried. So hard to let it go. So hard to let it go. What did you to us? There's something missing. How could you renounce? Oh my love, feel the atmosphere. Remember all the things we hoped that we could be. Take me back to when we started. All the places where we traveled. All the little things we never tried. So hard to let it go. Take me back to when we started. To all the places where we traveled. To all the little things we never tried. So hard to let it go. So hard to let it go. go. Listen for a voice and throw me rope. Throw into the ocean that I'm below. Reach into the sunrise. Break the skin. Break the walls that tell us what we should know. The faded lights burning out. Let the wind, let the clouds wash us now. White as snow.